Quality assurance, QA, is an essential component of any organization that aims to provide high-quality products or services to its customers. While the field of QA is often associated with information technology, IT, it is important to note that non-IT professionals can also pursue a career in QA. However, unlike IT professionals who already have a solid foundation in technology and software development, non-IT professionals will need to put in some extra effort to gain the necessary knowledge and skills. With the right mindset, dedication, and willingness to learn, non-IT professionals can become successful QA professionals and contribute to the overall success of their organization. To transition into a career in QA as a non-IT professional, there are certain steps you can take to increase your chances of success. The first step is to understand the basics of software development and testing. You need to read books or online resources on software development and testing, including topics like software development lifecycle, software testing lifecycle, testing methodologies, and software testing tools. And attend online or in-person courses or training sessions to gain a deeper understanding of software development and testing. Seek out online forums and communities to connect with other testers and ask questions about software testing and development. The second one is to learn programming languages and tools. Select a programming language to learn, such as Python or Java. Enroll in online courses or training programs to learn the basics of programming languages and tools. Practice writing code for different test scenarios, including unit testing, integration testing, and system testing. Learn about test automation tools, such as Selenium or Appium, and practice using these tools to automate testing scenarios. Third one, it's very important to pursue certification. Consider pursuing certification in software testing, such as the ISTQB Foundation Level or Certified Agile Tester. Enroll in online courses or training programs to prepare for certification exams. Study and practice sample questions from certification exam guides. You may think step number 4 to build a portfolio of testing projects. Practice testing different types of software applications, including web applications and mobile applications. Build a portfolio of testing projects that demonstrate your skills and experience, including test plans, test cases, and test reports. Collaborate with other testers or developers to work on open-source testing projects. Step number 5, gain experience in manual and automated testing. This step is very important as well. Practice manual testing techniques, including functional testing, regression testing, and exploratory testing. Learn about test automation and practice writing automated tests using test automation tools. Practice continuous integration and delivery, CI/CD, techniques and work with development teams to ensure that testing is integrated into the development process. This is not the final one, but consider it the last one, and the first step is to seek mentorship and guidance. Find a mentor or coach who can provide guidance and support as you learn about software development and testing. Attend industry conferences, webinars, or meetups to connect with other testers and learn about best practices. Join online communities or forums to connect with other testers and seek guidance or support. Landing the first job can be a daunting task for anyone, regardless of their career field. It requires a combination of skill, knowledge, and the ability to effectively market oneself to potential employers. This is especially true for those who are just starting out in their careers and lack the necessary work experience to stand out from the competition. However, with careful preparation and a strategic approach, it is possible to secure that first job and kickstart your career. By taking the time to develop a strong resume, networking with professionals in your field, and gaining relevant experience through internships or volunteer work, you can increase your chances of landing that first job and setting yourself up for long-term success. You need to create a strong resume. Start by summarizing your experience, skills, and qualifications in a clear and concise manner at the top of your resume. Highlight any relevant coursework, projects, or internships that demonstrate your software testing skills. Tailor your resume to each job application, emphasizing the specific skills and experience that are most relevant to the job you're applying for. Use industry keywords and phrases that are relevant to software testing, such as test plans, test cases, manual testing, automated testing, and bug tracking. You also need to build a strong online presence. Create a LinkedIn profile and make sure it is complete and up to date. Connect with industry professionals and recruiters on LinkedIn to expand your network. Build a GitHub repository to showcase your testing projects and code samples. Consider contributing to open-source testing projects or online communities to demonstrate your expertise and willingness to collaborate. Then think about applying to entry-level QA positions. Search for entry-level QA positions on job boards or company websites. Target companies or industries that align with your interests or experience. Apply to positions that specifically state they are open to candidates with non-IT backgrounds. And you need to prepare for interviews carefully. Research the company and position you're applying for. Prepare answers to common software testing and QA interview questions. Practice describing your testing experience and knowledge in a clear and concise manner. Be prepared to demonstrate your coding and testing skills during the interview process.